Lesson 4 Saying what you're going to do. Japanese theme is 大学で日本語を勉強します。I'm going to study Japanese at the university. First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
これ、どこですか？沖縄です。これは京都です。京都はとても綺麗ですよ。そうですね。タムさんは日本で何をしますか？大学で日本語を勉強します。いいですね。はい、楽しみです。
Okay, next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
これ、どこですか？沖縄です。これは京都です。京都はとても綺麗ですよ。そうですね。タムさんは日本で何をしますか？大学で日本語を勉強します。いいですね。はい、楽しみです。
Okay, then let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Please repeat after me. The first word is これ. The next word is どこ. For example, これどこですか? This sentence means, where is this? これどこですか? And another example sentence is here. これは沖縄です。This is Okinawa. Okinawa is the southern island in Japan. これは沖縄です。Okay, next word. 沖縄. And the next word. へえ. へ means just like, I see. Okay, like that. Okay, so next word. 京都. Kyoto is the name of the place, and Kyoto used to be the capital of Japan. For example, here, 京都はとてもきれいな場所です。This sentence means Kyoto is a very beautiful place. 京都はとてもきれいな場所です。And another sentence is 京都は日本の首都でした。Kyoto was the capital of Japan. 京都は日本の首都でした。Like that. Okay, so let's check the next word. とても。きれい。For example, あなたはとてもきれいです。You are so beautiful. あなたはとてもきれいです。So, きれいmeans beautiful, and かわいい means cute. あなたはとてもかわいいです。You are so pretty, or you are so cute, like that. Okay, so let's check the next one. そうですね. So, そうですね means I think so too, or I see, like that. And next word is 日本. 何する. For example, あなたは日本で何をしますか? What are you going to do in Japan? あなたは日本で何をしますか? And for example, 私は日本で日本語を勉強します。I'm going to Japan to study Japanese. 私は日本で日本語を勉強します。Okay, so next word is 大学。日本語。勉強する。 So you can say like that. 大学で日本語を勉強します。I will study Japanese at university. The particle で、express the place. So 大学で means in at university. So 大学で日本語を勉強します。Okay, so let's check the next word. E. E means good. So you can say like that. It sounds good. いいですね. That's good. いいですね. Like that. Okay, so next word is はい。楽しみ。楽しみ means look forward to. So 楽しみです means I'm looking forward to it. And another example sentence is あなたに会えることが楽しみです。I'm looking forward to meeting you. あなたに会えることが楽しみです。Okay, so that's the vocabularies. So let's move on to the next section. Okay, so let's practice to read whole sentences together. Please repeat after me. これどこですか？沖縄です。へえ。これは京都です。京都はとても綺麗ですよ。そうですね。タムさんは日本で何をしますか？大学で日本語を勉強します。いいですね。はい、楽しみです。Okay, that's it. Please practice to read whole sentences again and again. So, let's move on to the next phrase. The key phrase is about saying what you're going to do. Example sentences 大学で日本語を勉強します。It means I'm going to study Japanese at the university. So let's check the explanation. To express what you're going to do, use the verbs must form that end with must, such as 勉強します or I will study. This form is used when speaking politely. De is a particle indicating a place, and o is a particle expressing the object. The verb comes at the end of the sentence. Okay, so verb groups and conjugation. The basic form of the verb is called the dictionary form because that is the way they are listed in dictionaries. Examples: 買う or to buy, 食べる or to eat, and 勉強する or to study. Okay, but verbs are divided into three groups based on how they are conjugated. Group 1 verbs is end with u, and the u part is conjugated. They appear in forms like 買う or to buy, 飲む or to drink, and 行く or to go. And to make a must form from the dictionary form of group 1 verbs, change the u ending to e and add must. For example, here. 食べ物を買います。I'm going to buy food. 食べ物を買います。Or you can say, 私は食べ物を買います。I'm going to buy food. So you can omit the subject. Like, you can omit the part of the 私は. So that's the same meaning. So, another example sentence is 私は服を買います。I'm going to buy the clothes. Okay, so that's the group 1. And one more example sentence is here. 私はビールを飲みます。I'm going to drink the beer. 私はビールを飲みます。Or you can say like that. 私はワインを飲みます。I'm going to drink a wine. 私はワインを飲みます。Like that. Okay, so let's check the group 2. Group 2 verbs end with ru and the ru ending is conjugated. They appear in forms like 見る or to look and 食べる or to eat. So as for group 2, you can change the ru ending to ます like 食べる to 食べます like that. So, for example, 私はオペラを見ます。I'm going to see opera. 私はオペラを見ます。Okay, and one more example sentence is about 食べる。Okay, so for example, 私はピザを食べます。I'm going to eat the pizza. 私はピザを食べます。The next one is 私は日本料理を食べます。I'm going to eat Japanese food. Okay, like that. So let's check the group 3. Group 3 verbs have irregular conjugations. There are only 2 of them, 来る or to come, and する or to do. So group 3 verbs are conjugated as 来る to 来ます and する to します。That's it. For example, 私の友達が日本に来ます。So, my friend is going to Japan. 私の友達が日本に来ます。Like that. Yeah, my friend is coming to Japan. Okay, another example is する、します。For example, 私はバスケットをします。For example, I'm going to do basket or I'm going to play basketball. Okay, so another example sentence is 私は野球をします。I'm going to play baseball or I will play baseball. 私は野球をします。So by the way, as for the must form, the must form of verbs can be used to express what you're going to do, as well as your current habitat and the general facts. So, as for this sentence, 私は野球をします。So, for example, 私は放課後に野球をします。In this case, this meaning is I'm going to play the baseball after the school. So, in this case, this sentence expresses what you're going to do. But as for this sentence, 私は野球をします。That's the kind of general facts. So, please remember the must form has several meanings like what you're going to do or current habitats and general facts. That's the point. Okay then, let's check the usage section. Let's read a short dialogue which include a key phrase we studied. Please repeat after me. 日本で何をしますか？買い物をします。So, what are you going to do in Japan? 日本で何をしますか？ And you can answer, I'm going to go shopping. 買い物をします。That's it. So, let's check the trial section. Please translate 3 sentences into Japanese. The first sentence is, I'm going to eat tempura. And we say tempura in Japanese. And the must form of eat is 食べます. So, grammar is object or verb. So, in this case, you can say like that. 天ぷらを食べます. Right? Object is tempura. And you want to say, I'm going to eat. So, you need to use must form. So, 食べます. 天ぷらを食べます is the answer. Okay, then let's check the next question. I'm going to see kabuki. I'm going to see kabuki. And we say kabuki. And the must form of the see is 見ます. So you can say like that. 歌舞伎を見ます. because object is kabuki and the mass form of see is mimasu. So you can say kabuki o mimasu. That's it. So let's check the last question. I'm going to buy souvenirs. I'm going to buy souvenirs. So souvenirs is omiyage and mass form of the buy is kaimasu. So as you know, answer is here. お土産を買います。お土産を買います。That's it. So, let's move on to the next section. The bonus phrase is 楽しみです。It means I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, this is a phrase to express something you are happily expecting. Okay, so please remember this expression. So, let's check the triptych. Let's begin.
As you probably guessed, cosplay combines the words costume and play. People put on outfits of characters from manga and historical dramas. Japan's cosplay culture has found fans around the world. Visitors to Japan can give it a try at rental shops in Akihabara and other places.
So Akihabara is a famous place which is well known about the cosplay or animation culture. So for example, 私は秋葉原に行きます。This sentence means I'm going to Akihabara. 私は秋葉原に行きます。And you can say 私はコスプレをします。Right? I'm going to do cosplay. 私はコスプレをします。Okay, like that. So, lastly, let's quick review the skit with no subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story by Japanese. Okay then, let's begin.
これ、どこですか？沖縄です。へえ。これは京都です。京都はとても綺麗ですよ。そうですね。タムさんは日本で何をしますか？大学で日本語を勉強します。いいですね。はい、楽しみです。
Okay, did you understand the skit? That's the end of the lesson 4, saying what you're going to do. I hope you learned something new from the lesson. Thank you for watching.